One of the blessings about Ramadan is sharing different foods with neighbours to break the fast with. So we decided to make a food platter of our own. We simply add water in a cooking pot, warmed it up, sprayed a bit of sunflower oil, add in the pasta and let it cook for about 20 minutes. For the salad bowl, we have chopped lettuce, cucumbers and red onions. Once your pasta is fully cooked, drain out the water. Now in the salad bowl, you can add different kind of beans, seasonings and sauces. Here I've added red kidney beans. Make sure you drain out the water from the tin. Give it a nice mix. Add 2 tablespoons of mint jelly. And add some butter beans. You can add any particular sauce for taste if you like. Add the pasta and thoroughly mix together. That's your pasta salad ready to be served. Here we are preparing 6 platters for our neighbours. And to go with it, we are adding minced pasties, vegetable samosas and chicken fillets, all deep pan baked in the George Foreman grill. And finally, some almond dates to go ahead with it. A delicious food platter ready to be shared. Catch you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.